Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and very warm welcome to our YouTube and Facebook channel, TAC, the Academic Concepts. My dear viewers, we are starting a series of lectures on the most important aspect of human life, that is communication. In these lessons, we shall discuss various concepts, methods and techniques which facilitate in improving the communication skills. So if you feel that you want to improve these skills, you must see all the upcoming videos. I am sure these will help you to a great extent. So for that, you have to subscribe this channel. So let's move ahead and see what's coming up. First of all, communication. Then why is communication important? Significance of communication skills, components of communication process, and then the communication process or communication cycle. Communication is derived from the Latin word communico, which means to share. The process of sharing information, which could be facts, ideas, thoughts, feelings, or needs. Communication is a process which involves sharing of information between people through a continuous activity of speaking, making gestures, listening, and understanding. Talking is a born physical ability of a human being. However, to speak well and communicate effectively, we have to learn. Speaking, making gestures, listening, and understanding. Both verbal and non-verbal meanings are the skills we develop in various ways. We learn basic communication skills by observing people around us through their changing behaviors and responses. Education, practice, and constant evaluation of responses of the people around us help to improve our communication skills. Communication has always been very important because it connects the society. It plays a crucial role in all the aspects of life, may it be work in business, job in government or corporate sector, and our private life. People have to communicate with each other, exchange information, make decisions, talk about new ideas, plans, and proposals, etc. We have also to communicate externally with foreigners and people of other nations and languages. Coming over to significance of communication skills. Nearly 70% of our time is spent in communication. 9% in writing, 16% in reading, 30% in speaking, and 45% in listening. A successful person is the one who can communicate effectively. Communication skills are one of the essential prerequisites in the most of the occupations, considered valuable for both obtaining the employment and successful job performance. All corporations and multinational organizations need better communication skills in their employees so that they can work in teams having people from diverse backgrounds. We are living in a communications revolution, so we have to talk well and talk wise. The communication process. Many of the problems that occur as a result of people failing to communicate. Faulty communication leads to confusion and error. Communication is the exchange and flow of information and ideas from one person to another. It involves a sender transmitting an idea to a receiver. Effective communication occurs only if the receiver understands the exact information or idea that the sender intends to transmit. Understanding the process is important because we coach, coordinate, counsel, evaluate, and supervise through this procedure. It is the chain of understanding that integrates the members of an organization from top to bottom, bottom to top, and side to side. The components of communication process are as flashed. Now let's see how these components are arranged in communication cycle or communication process. There are two sources, one is sender and the other is recipient. The message or idea. It is the information exists in the mind of sender, who is the source. This can be a concept, idea, information, or feelings. Then is the stage of encoding. The source initiates a message by encoding the idea or a thought in words or symbols and sends it to the receiver. The message in the actual physical product from the source encoding. When we speak, the speech is the message. When we write, writing is the message. When we make gesture, the movement are our hands and expressions of our face are the message. Then is the stage of channel. It is a medium that the sender uses to transmit the message to the receiver. In a personal meeting, words, gestures, and tone is the channel. In a letter, the writing is the channel. In a phone call, the technology is the channel. Then is the decoding stage. It is the act of understanding the message, word or symbol. The listener and reader are regarded as the decoders. The cycle can only be completed once the feedback process is completed. The feedback will tell the sender that the receiver has understood the message in its true essence. Communication is carried out in the minds of two people, the sender and the receiver. Our words, tone, and gesture facilitate the process, as you can see in the picture. The whole communication environment has many communication cycles. They are repeated over and over again, and this keeps the society connected. My dear viewers, I hope you have well understood today's lecture. Please stay connected as lot more is coming regarding the communication skills. If you find this video helpful, please like it and share it with your friends. Must give your feedback in comments box. Moreover, subscribe the channel and press bell icon so that you receive all our notifications. Thanks a lot. Take care and stay blessed.